So hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Geek official YouTube channel guys. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video update we'll be definitely talking about Ethereum. I hope it makes sense for you guys. So guys, before wasting any time, let's get going at the time of recording this video. Ethereum is trading around almost $3,800, and in my today's update, on my Twitter, I have already called out just today that this is a very simple chart guys, a very simple chart of Ethereum. Today I told them that this is basically a 4-hour divergence, right? And then there is a decrease in the volume. While we are pumping to the upside right here, we are definitely seeing some sort of a volume decrease. So there is like no more people left who are interested right here. And then at the same time we are forming this 4-hour bearish divergence, higher highs and higher lows, simple, on the RSI and on the chart. So basically I told them that for me the chart shows downside, and this is, I guess, basically very basic thing. Like anybody can read this, any beginner can read this. So a lot of guys got wrecked within this leg up. And at the same time, if we talk about the daily RSI, we are forming this higher highs and higher lows right here, lower highs, you can call it, higher high and a lower high on the RSI. At the same time, higher high and higher high, and basically on the chart. So this is a very, in the immediate short term, RSI, the job of RSI is already been done. Within the immediate short term, if you talk about the daily stuff, this is basically the daily SFP right here. If the daily candle closes like this, if the daily candle is not closing above 38 and 43, right now it's at $3,800, but if it's not trading above like 3,800 and a half, then I don't think so that the strength is back until we do not start closing above 38 and $3,843. Then there is more downside than upside. Simple as this. And secondly, in my Discord, if I show you, first of all, we have bought Ethereum. In April, I told them that we just hold Ethereum. We just buy Ethereum. So from here basically, we pumped beautifully all the way up to this region. Is a 30% up on Ethereum within a very immediate short term. And before today is the ETF day, but before the ETF, I guess the Ethereum is already priced in. This is what I'll say. The ETF is already priced in, and if something is overbought on the daily, if something is highly overbought with the bearish divergence on the daily and on the 4-hour time frame, then why the hell a good news will come and it will pump even further up. If the market makers knows this, that a lot of guys are on the sideways, then they can even pump the price even further from here. But if not, I want Ethereum to flip 4K, and then I'll be little bit interested in longs. Other than this, right now, with this SFP on the daily, and this stuff, and this is a big FVG, daily FVG, that is exactly from like 35, like 3464 to 3287. This is a basic another daily FVG which has to be filled, which is the complete insufficient price action, and it is a complete godly candle, which is not a good thing, right? This sort of price action, these sort of candles usually, like these are beautiful candles, these are beautiful momentum, but these sort of candles are, this aggressive candles are usually filled out, and these imbalance has to be filled out, and we may dip exactly back into this area. Other than this, for me the most important area is this area. That is again my entry, 32K. From 32K I will again start accumulating Ethereum in spot, because I've bought a lot of spot right here. I'm securing some profit right here. Right here it's for me some long areas. So I will definitely look for some long, but right here I'll definitely be looking for some spot, because in spot we do not get these big amount of returns, but that's why we need to get exact bottoms in spot. This is what exactly I personally think. I'm already short. You guys can exactly see this. I'm already short in Ethereum. I have already called out a big detail that why it's pumping this and that whatsoever. This is a short position. This is some sort of a head short position, and this is what I personally think. If Ethereum dips down after this SFP, if we do not close strong on this SFP, Alts will also get wrecked if Ethereum gets down back into this zone. This is what I personally think on Ethereum and this ETF stuff. If it's not, like, I don't care about the ETF this and that.